In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an employee dashboard in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and head into your workspace. This is where all of your projects, tasks, and reporting tools live. So once you're inside the correct workspace, you'll be ready to build your dashboard. Next, go to Dashboards from the global navigation. If you don't immediately see the Dashboards option, click More, then select Dashboards from there. This is the area where you can create visual reporting views to track work, progress, and team performance in one place. Once you're in the Dashboard section, click New Dashboard in the upper right corner. When ClickUp asks how you want to begin, choose. Create custom dashboards so you can build everything from scratch and tailor it specifically for employee tracking. Now, give your dashboard a name. You can enter something simple and clear, like Employee Dashboard. Using a descriptive name makes it easier to recognize later, especially if your workspace contains multiple dashboards. After that, it's time to add your first card. Click Add Card, then select a table card. From there, choose Task List so the dashboard can display employee tasks. This is a helpful way to see assigned work in a structured format. In the card settings, select the spaces, folders, or lists that contain your employees' tasks. Choosing the right data source is important because it controls which tasks appear on the dashboard. Next, open the filter section for that card. Add a filter for the employees or assignees you want to display, then select the specific people whose tasks you want to track. This helps keep the dashboard focused and relevant. Now, add another card by clicking Add Card again. Select Tables, then choose Completed Report. This card shows completed tasks by the person assigned to them, which makes it useful for reviewing output and progress. After that, add an employee activity card. Click Add Card, choose the appropriate card for employee activity, and configure it so it displays activity from the employees you want to monitor. This gives you more visibility into what your team is doing over time. Next, add a time tracking card. Click Add Card, select Time Tracking, then choose the employees whose track time you want to display. Set the time period for the report as well, since ClickUp's time tracking cards can be adjusted based on specific people and date ranges. Once all your cards are added, drag and drop them into the layout you want. You can also resize each card so the most important information is easier to read at a glance. Finally, review the employee information shown on each card. The dashboard will automatically display the ClickUp data you selected, and you can refresh it whenever needed. When you're ready to share it, click Share in the upper right corner, choose the people or teams who should have access, set their permissions, and share the dashboard. Thanks for watching.